Welcome to Simple Repair Mobile Repair Shop. We extend a warm and hearty welcome to you, our valued customer, as you step into the world of simple repair. We want you to know that your cherished device is now in the capable hands of our expert team. Today, we're thrilled to inform you that we are embarking on the mission to restore and rejuvenate your iPhone X by repairing its damaged screen. We fully recognize the pivotal role your smartphone plays in your daily life. It's your companion, your navigator, your source of connection to the world. It's with this understanding that we approach every repair, including yours. Our team comprises skilled technicians, proficient in the art of mobile device repair, and they are committed to delivering nothing less than excellence. Your iPhone X, a marvel of technology, will receive the utmost care and precision in our capable hands. As we diligently work on restoring your phone's screen, we invite you to make yourself at home in our cozy waiting area. Here you can unwind with a cup of freshly brewed coffee or tea, enjoy a selection of snacks, or simply catch up on your reading. If at any point you have questions or concerns regarding the repair process, our friendly and knowledgeable staff members are readily available to assist you. Your peace of mind is our priority. We would like to express our sincere gratitude for choosing Simple Repair Mobile Repair Shop for your device's repair needs. We are dedicated to providing a service that not only meets but exceeds your expectations. Our ultimate goal is to hand back to you an iPhone X with a screen that's as good as new. Your satisfaction is the compass that guides us, and we are committed to ensuring that you leave our shop with a smile of satisfaction. Should you have any further inquiries or require assistance with any other matter, please do not hesitate to reach out. We are here to serve you to the best of our abilities. At Simple Repair, we understand the importance of your mobile device in your daily life. Your iPhone X is not just a piece of technology. It's an extension of your personal and professional world. Our dedicated team of skilled technicians contact with our official channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Simple Repair.